Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm going to be creating a water fountain. I'm not sure if you can see, but I purchased this one from Walmart. I believe it was like 10 bucks. But I've had it for maybe about a week and a half, and it is starting, the motor in it is like really loud. Like it's overdoing the water. You can overhear it. I'm not sure. Can y'all hear that? I'm gonna bring y'all a little bit closer. That noise is like crazy. And at first I was like, okay, well, where's the little thing? And I was like, okay, well, I'm just going to go ahead and purchase another one. Y'all, if you go on Walmart, you go on Amazon, and you look at the prices of some goddamn water fountains, them things cost a lot of money. So, of course, I looked it up, the supplies that you need, and I got everything for under 20 bucks. So, we're going to get right up into this project because that's gotta go. It's gotta be replaced. It's gotta go. All right, you guys. So I had to improvise because the straw did not fit at all. So I went on ahead, cut the hole bigger, cut out a little slit for the cord to go. And y'all, I'm using my son's blocks. Yes, him right there. So what I'm going to show you is this is pretty much going to go down the side of there. We're going to put this, we'll put this on top of it. And then as you see, the cord is going to go right there. And as you can see, the water is going to come out right here. It is a perfect fit. And then I'm going to poke a hole in this, stack the plates right here on top, decorate it. And that's what we're going to do right there. Okay, y'all. So this phone is really getting the best of me. I done changed it again. So this is now what I have that I created. Okay, hopefully this works. I took the blocks. I just took a paper plate, a paper bowl, glued it to the blocks, and then stuck the flat surface onto this. I'm trying to decide if I want to actually put a hint of glue on here. That way it holds it, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on this, then I'm gonna be back. Okay, so right now I'm going to finish pouring, I guess, the water up in here. And I turned the what is that? There is like a flow knob on the side of the rotor. I turned it down to medium so that it's just not spewing up. Hello. Hey, son. Now I'm just going to take some rocks and hopefully these styrofoam plates that I have hold it. That is what I'm hoping for. I'm going to help. Oh, you're going to help? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, go ahead and just lay them up here. Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Don't forget this. For the browns, don't forget the browns. And for the leaves, I actually want to cut them off and stick them, yeah, like I said, on the sides to camouflage this wire. I'm trying to get these things cut. Cut? Yeah, Mom trying to cut these off. These are not good scissors. Yeah, we need the other scissors. Alright, so these I'm actually going to just stick these down over here. Oh, you're good, Mom. Yep, I got it. Thank you, son. I got the brown one. Goodness, my these things is hard.
Yeah, that's good. It's hard.
Yep, just throw them on here.
I can't do that one too.
Y'all, it look a little lopsided. Let me show y'all what it look like.
Yeah.
He talking about, yeah. This is what it's looking like. The little water thing is right there. That's what it's going to come out of. I'm going to keep putting some rocks on it. But so far, it's looking really, really cute. Alright, you guys, we're going to try this one more time. I got my daughter about to plug it in and see if this works, if I got enough water in it. Go ahead.
Oh, it did break out. It's not working. It did break outside.
No, it's working. I don't want to put too much water in it because I don't want this thing to overflow like it did last time.
It's break outside.
Y'all wasn't in here when this thing shot up everywhere.
Ooh, no. Mine. Mom, water.
Oh, Jesus. What are you doing? Okay. The rocks is covering it. Okay. All right. Okay. So I got it working.
Where you? Oh, Mom. Sucky.
Yeah. I'm pretty much going to keep it covered up with the rocks. That way it don't shoot up everywhere. But that's pretty much what I got for right now. Of course, if I move that rock, ooh, that stuff going to shoot everywhere. I don't trust y'all little kids. All right. So, yeah. That's what I got so far. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. But y'all wouldn't ask me no questions because y'all see, this was trial and error. I'm going to adjust this, get this thing together. Okay, that's not bad. It's not going everywhere. It's actually staying in place, and that's pretty.
It's pretty.
Yes, it's pretty. All right, we're going to keep it like that. That is how it came out. That's what it looked like. It is finally done. I love it. Turn off the Walmart one because you can hear that motor like crazy. Yeah. I will see you guys soon.
Bye.
All right, I just came on really quickly just so you can hear it. You cannot hear the motor at all. It sounds so nice. Oh my gosh, I just love it. And you can see it's shooting up just a little bit, but not enough to go everywhere. Love how it came out. Love the way it looks. Bye.